Welcome to your one-stop shop for insurance-focused business processing systems and solutions. We are employee pooling. At EP, we transcend the role of service provider to become your dedicated partner. Our mission is to empower your team to achieve more with less. We seamlessly integrate cutting-edge technology with expert human capital, allowing us to automate processes, drive efficiency, and significantly reduce costs, building a more effective bridge between manufacturing and distribution. What sets us apart? Our team of trained and dedicated professionals work in harmony with your in-house team, managing tasks from submission to commission, and much more. With employee pooling on your team, the worry, risk, and expense of hiring, training, and retaining skilled employees are transferred to us. Scalability is our specialty. Our service platform is adaptable to your business workflow, giving you a variable cost structure that ensures fiscal and service stability. The best part? You pay only for the services delivered. Our menu of services is designed to meet the complete needs of your business. We keep the insurance industry moving with round-the-clock support for agent contracting, new business application processing and case management, underwriting, commissions, policy services, special projects, and even software training. Need assistance with outbound calling and follow-ups? Our call center is your solution. EP is vigilant about security measures. Our processes and data are HIPAA compliant, and our data security system is ISO certified to provide the utmost protection for your and your clients' sensitive information. We're employee pooling, where dedicated specialists, fractional shares, and scalable solutions come together to redefine your business processing experience. Contact us today. Your success is our commitment.